let me discuss continuous probability models. We already know there are two types of random variables: discrete random variables, continuous random variables. We discussed about discrete random variables and their probabilities, in short, discrete probability models, in previous videos. Today I am going to discuss the continuous random variables and their probabilities, in short, continuous probability model. But you already know very popular continuous probability distribution. What is that? It is the normal distribution. We discussed normal distribution under chapter 3. So let me remind you some information what we learned over there. A continuous probability model assigns probabilities as areas under a density curve. The area under the curve and above any range of values is the probability of an outcome in that range. Now let me explain an example. The normal distribution with a mean of 25 and a standard deviation of 6.4 is a good description of the test. This is a continuous probability model for the score of a randomly chosen student. Call the score of a randomly chosen student X for short. Now let me write down given informations. Normal distribution, mean is 25, standard deviation is 6.4. And X is the random variable defined as the score of a randomly chosen student. So we discussed about the scores, therefore X is the continuous random variable. So we can write X has the normal distribution, mean is 25 and the standard deviation is 6.4. First one, write the event the student chosen has a score of 35 or higher in terms of X. Yes, 35 or higher mean X is greater than or equal 35. Second, find the probability of this event. That means we need to find the probability of X greater than or equal 35. How do we do that? We need to find the probability of X greater than or equal 35. Therefore, need to first write it down 1 minus probability of X less than or equal 35. We discussed this under chapter 3. X has the normal distribution. Therefore, we need to find the z. How do we find the z? Using x minus mu over sigma formula. We know x is 35, mu is 25, sigma is 6.4. Therefore, we can write 1 minus probability of z less than or equal 1.56. Now we have z value and also we have less than or equal. Therefore, we can use the z table directly to find the probability of z less than or equal 1.56. That is 0.94 or 6. Subtract from 1 and get the answer. It is 0.0594.